And fresh from being appointed Technical Director of Belize, Vin Blaine, who previously served as Technical Director of the Jamaica Football Federation and Reggae Girlz head coach, says he plans to make fundamental changes to the way football is organized and developed in that country. Blaine recently signed a 2-year contract with an option to renew with Belize.
Right now is to prepare the under 15 boys that are going to be participating in October in the FIFA World Cup Festival. Also to prepare an under 16 and under 17 team, girls and boys, to participate in the UNCAF competition that runs towards the end of September.
Blaine has also served as a Technical Director of Grenada Football and Director of Football for the U.S. Virgin Islands. The Jamaican says his mission is to strengthen the structures of the game while building a more competitive international program.
And leadership doesn't mean just me alone. It means that everyone has to be a part of the leadership process.
Now, Blaine, who previously won the Jamaica Premier League title with Harbourview, has experience leading football development at the national level. His latest assignment will see him focus on laying stronger foundations for the development and administration of football in Belize. All right, that's half time. Let's go to a break. We'll be back with more on Primetime Sports Monday.